Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series or 4 Series guys with the 4-cylinder gasoline 2.0 engine guys, this is known as N20 B20 engine guys, and you're trying to find TDC, top dead center point, that's what we'll be doing today guys. Many of you ask me, how do you find TDC point? And this engine has been used in multiple BMW vehicles guys, and we always get emails, how do you find TDC, because there is no information online. People always skip that step, so that's why we decided to make that video guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos. Now in our case, that BMW will have probably more than 300-400 videos. We'll take it completely apart. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you need help, any special tools that we're using guys, if you need to purchase anything, tools, parts, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we list them for your convenience. So this is 5 Series BMW, same engine guys, has been used on the 3 and 4 Series as well. This is guys the plug that we need to remove in order to get to TDC point. Okay, in order to get to TDC point, that's the plug that we need to remove. This is the timing tool, everything that you need for your timing chain. Now let me start quick by saying that this car, the engine timing chain failed at 87,000 miles. Broken timing chain guide here guys, jumped the timing by 3 teeth. As a result guys, okay, I think we'll be able to save the engine, but okay guys, but we need to take things completely apart, replace chain guides, all that stuff. Now this is guys the tool. This is the top dead center pin that we'll be using. This is the pin that you need. You're going to get a 22mm wrench, and you're going to place it on the crankshaft bolt, and you're going to go only clockwise guys. Now I'll go under the car. Let me go under the car. Make sure you watch until the very end, because you can bring the engine to TDC point at 2 different locations, and we're going to explain that. So make sure guys you stand till the end so you don't ruin your engine. I'm going to get the TDC pin. I'm going inside guys, so it'll be a little bit of a chaos. Be prepared for some chaotic camera work, leaking oil, trying to do my best guys for that. So let me go ahead and wipe things a little bit, because we did drip quite a bit of oil here. So I did clean my spot a little bit. Oh, that's gonna be bad. But we're doing it guys, we're doing it here. Okay, so let me go back first. Okay, we're going to start by here. Okay, we're not gonna turn the engine. I want to show you something now guys. That plastic pin, that's the one that you need to remove. We got the exhaust loose. Okay, exhaust is unhooked. The whole video is on the channel. Auto Repair guys, how to do timing chain replacement, so you can see. And the thing is all the way back there. This is the plug that we removed. Now we get the we get that special tool, that pin, and I'm going to I got it in. Now don't push it all the way in. You need to be about 2-3 millimeters out. So now hold on now. Okay, I'm trying to find the hole for the TDC pin. So let's turn the engine clockwise. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, keep turning, about quarter revolution. Okay, I can see it. A little bit more. Okay, now just a little bit here more. Okay, now check it out now guys. That pin, okay, that hole, that's where the pin's gonna go. Okay, in. Okay, I'm trying to get our best view we can in that hole right there. So we keep turning that. Okay, let's turn more. Okay, now go slow. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, right there. I'm in guys, I am all the way in. You can actually even see that through the transmission housing right here. So that's in, pin is in. Now I need to explain something, 2 things. Make sure you stand till the end. What do you need to do guys? When that pin is in, you will not be able to go clockwise or counterclockwise on that, so that makes things really good. Because if you guys hit a flywheel bolt, It may stop going clockwise, but if you try to go back, it will go back. So you gotta make sure that it's stuck now. Another thing, as I said, camshafts could be 180 degrees off. When you have the timing and TDC point, camshafts will be, okay, these holes will be pointing towards the right. This one, it should be up here. We just jumped the timing on this one. Why to the right? Because when you install the timing tool for the camshaft sprocket, you have two bolts here. We'll have a video how to use the two. It aligns with these holes, you can see. Otherwise, there will be 180 degrees, guys, from each other, okay? There will be right there, and you don't want, guys, okay, that to happen. But you can see, this is, guys, okay, right here now, TDC point on that engine. Now, the whole timing chain replacement video will be on the channel. Check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a 3 or 4 series BMW with the N20 engine. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.